Good evening. I'm going to be very brief because you know it all, I know it all, right? It's the beginning of the speech is the end of the speech, right? So you know what to do. मुझे ज्ञान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Only thing, it's an emotional moment for us also between me and you and my students. We have lived for 2 years, and this period is going to be a golden period for you. Only my request and advice to you is, remember, you remain student till the end of your life. And once you grow, share your experience, knowledge, love for youngsters. Be successful to share your success with others. That's more important. Second thing, whatever you do, try to do +1. What I expect from the students of Whistling Woods is that they are going to be ideator. They are not going to be job doers. They are going to be thinkers. They are going to be innovators. A lot of things I expect you to do +1, and unless you have an obsession and possession, to do something towards the human welfare, or to do something to create, to innovate in new things, that will bring pride to Whistling Woods. That will bring pride to all of us. And I'm sure few of you are going to do that because I can see that you have always been very promising. And hereafter I would say, I'm very honored. Today Whistling Woods is very much honored to have a great legend who has been our inspiration, my inspiration, to set up this institute with a vision and a mission. And that is Mr. Narayan Murthy. Sir, you have honored us being here and sharing your thoughts in such a short time. What you said today, the present student in the morning, was incredible, invaluable. And we are very blessed and lucky that a legend like you with us to inspire students and inspire students, teachers, visionary people, business people. Thank you very much for being with us. And also I would like to thank my very old friend, my colleague, where I have learned something from him, is called Anandji Bhai from Kalyanji Anandji. He's here. And Anandji, you don't need any award. You have done so much in your life that your presence and your music and your work is already a big award to the people of India and the Indian people all over. You see. And the music world is such a word that even you go away, your music, your composition, your singing, your songs live for centuries. And we already are hearing so many old songs from 1940s or 30s or 60s. And when you will see this AV on you, there is a film called Samrat Chandragupta. Am I right, sir? That was your first film for Kalyanji. And I remember that was my first song I used to sing when I was a small child. You see, चाहे पास हो चाहे दूर हो मेरे सपनों की तुम तस्वीर हो. And also we are honored to institute this award for all those people who excel and contribute a lot to the younger generation in their respective profession, whether it is a cameraman, whether it's a technician, whether it's an actor, whether it is artist. So every year we select one technician and one artist. And this time we decided to honor Hemaji. And Isha is here? Yeah? Okay. So She wanted to come very badly. She called me in the morning only that I want to come because she was very, very keen to be here with you. But unfortunately, because of her injuries, she got further fever in the morning and doctor advised her to stay at home. And her daughters are coming here to receive the award. Having said that, these awards and these people come on the stage, you must connect their energies, what they have done in their life. What Mr. Narayan Murthy is for this country. What this Anandji, Himaji, all these people have done so much. So you are going to take step one, and you are also going to be one day, I expect, to receive here a Master Award for your performance one day. Thank you. Thank you, my wishes. I love you all. Your success is my success. Please remember that. God bless you.
Thank you, Subhashji. For this special occasion, we have prepared an audiovisual on Mr. Anandji Shah and the Kalyanji Anandji duo. Let's take a look. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And giving me this great honor of being part of this evening to honor the work of Kalyanji Anandji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's my great, great honor to be here this evening. Good luck. God bless.
We have with us a protege of Kalyanji Anandji, Ms. Palak Muchal. We request her to come up and just hum a few lines for them. Yeah, Mike.
I must share with you is that Kalyanji Anandji has. I must share with you that Kalyanji Anandji has introduced so many beautiful singers right from the very beginning. If you know Alka Yagnik, Sadhna Sargam, so many singers, I would say, who became big stars have been the protege of Kalyanji Anandji. And Anandji and Kalyanji have been always taking keen interest in introducing newcomer. And the latest protege is Palak Muchal here. So she has specially come here to give her tribute to Kalyanji Anandji by singing few notes for them.
Good evening, everyone. सबसे पहले मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी सुभाष घई सर का, जिन्होंने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि मैं आनंद जी अंकल के बारे में कुछ कह सकूँ. आनंद जी अंकल का आशीर्वाद मेरे साथ तब से है जब मैं
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.